Let me check if the volume is okay. Let me check if... Okay, seems to be all fine. So let's see what happened to Bitcoin. Yesterday there was a rate decision, and actually for the first time I think in a few years the Fed didn't raise rates. Actually they left it at 5.25 basis points. So this is a major change in how the markets see this. Let's see. Let's start from the weekly to see what would be the potential reaction. So I would say on the weekly things things look still bearish, but not so bearish. So we might get actually a new wave here to the upside on the momentum. I think this is very possible, having in mind how the market is going sideways from this high here of April. So let's see the daily. The daily is wow. Okay, so we have continuation on the daily to the downside, which is bearish, but at some point we might get another green dot and go to the upside. So this might be the final wave correction, and then we start pumping. So have this in mind when you trade. Unfortunately, I expected at least to have this, at least this bullish divergence to hold, but it didn't hold. So we're going more to the downside. How much more? Maybe until this 24k level, 24,300, I would say. And yeah, that's what's happening on the 4-hour. We have bullish divergence, and I expect if we have a green dot here to pump, if we print a green dot here and we pump to the upside, basically having this bullish divergence. But we have to watch out, because if we go down lower than that, the bullish divergence would be negated. So yeah, I think there might be opportunity to have a long here, either later today or tomorrow. 2-hour also looks bullish to me, because there is a bullish divergence. 1 hour you can clearly see the bullish divergence on the momentum. Yeah, it's interesting. It's really interesting what will happen. I'm leaning more bullish than bearish. I think this move was to wreck a lot of players that actually have longed from this level, and they expected the price to pump, but actually now they are wrecked, and I think we can go to the upside. It's very possible that we start pumping from here. On the 6-hour, we're below the cloud. This is not good. This is bearish on the 6-hour. So we have to break the cloud in order to be fully bullish and have a swing long. So for now we are waiting here. Let's see the daily. We are near the lower band of the daily. There is a chance that we might get supported here and at least retest the Tenkan-sen or the cloud at 28k again. But if we go to 28k, I think we're going to break this to the upside. The pressure would be too much. So really interesting events playing out. I think a lot of people are really bearish, and yeah, we have to play on the other shore. So okay, let me see the funding. I see some very good signs in the funding. Open interest is very high. Yeah, people are shorting the hell out of Bitcoin right now uh, after this down move, but I think we're eventually going to go up because the funding, this drop in the funding was all those players that had to be wrecked. So this drop in the funding is really what I would expect it. So yeah, maybe I open long. Maybe I open long from the harmonic side. There is no new pattern. Maybe I should wait for a new pattern to play out, because we reached target 4 here from this bearish Navarro harmonics. So I think at least we're going to go to 25,500, and yeah, I might be playing this to the upside after seeing all huge divergence here on the 15-minute. I just want to wait the 2 hour to go up, to print a green dot, because if this bullish divergence doesn't hold, it would be really nasty and we're going to drop even more. But yeah, looking on the 2 hour and 4 hour, and then making a decision to go to the upside, to have a position to the upside. I think that's what I think right now. So have a good Thursday and pray a day tomorrow. I think I'm going to go long, but still waiting a little bit to be sure. At least the 2 hour. Okay, bye bye.